Hi, today I'll show you how to install Redhare, the Redbubble automation tool. First of all, go to podautomation.net. Once you're there, click on Download. Click on Download Now if you want the free version. Input your email address. Hit. You've been registered, your subscription is successful. Now click View Content. You'll see the license key, you'll have to keep that for later. Make sure you download the content. Downloading. Show in folder. Extract all. Once it's extracted, you'll have to open the setup file. You'll get this Windows protected your PC screen. There's nothing to worry about. Just click on more info and you'll be able to run it. So click more info and then run anyway. Should start installing now. There you go. Click on install. Downloading the app now. If you have any problems getting to this point, you can always open the installation help. There's a lot of answers for problems you might encounter. If you don't find the answer, you can always reply to the mail you get from Redhare. Now that it's done downloading, you'll get a pop-up window, the same as we've seen earlier. Click more info again, and then click run anyway. It's installed. The next thing we'll have to do is input our license key. Remember in the beginning we got a license key and our downloaded content. So let's go back to the browser. Let's select our license key. Paste it, validate license, and we're done. We've installed Redhare successfully. Now let's upload our first design. Click on load. Clicking on load will give you the opportunity to select your prepared Excel. Because we don't have a prepared Excel right now, we will use the example Excel, which I'll also explain a bit. So we'll go to downloads, Redhare Excel example. Let's open it before showing anything else. So now we've opened it. Let's also open the Excel separately to give a quick look how it looks. So you'll see it's a very simple Excel: title, description, tags, image, and Canva variables. So just fill in here the titles you want, description, tags. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. The image is the direct image on your hard drive. So you can add anything. If you add anything, you'll have to load it again here. But for now, we will just use the example. So let's close it. I've already loaded it. Let's say your images are somewhere else. You've prepared everything. You don't even need to use Excel. You can just use it here. For example, you can add it. It will all automatically take the newest data. So on the image, I want to choose a new image. Click on it, and here you can select a new image. I don't have a new image, and I already have an image in place on the C drive, so I'm just going to use that. Here you will be able to see if the file has been uploaded. Now that your data is ready, we are also ready to get a template, a clone template. What is a clone template? In Redbubble, you might not know this, but you have an easy way to copy existing designs. So we're gonna leverage that technology to also clone templates in our Redhare. So to show you, let's go to Redbubble, log in. Once logged in your Redbubble account, go to your account, go to Manage Portfolio, and here you'll see all your designs. So before you start uploading all your designs, you'll have to make a template design. I already made one. Let me open it. Edit. We can take a quick look. So this is just our template design, very simple at the moment. I've already chosen a color, which is black. I positioned it for a few. Of course, this design is very simple, just to illustrate. All right. So first of all, we check everything. This is really our standard, our template. So we check that everything is correct. We want the colors because it's going to be very hard for us to adjust. Let's say we make 50 designs based on this. It's going to be very hard to adjust all those 50. So you better make sure that the template is correct. So you go back to account, you click manage portfolio. Now let's get our URL. This is the URL that the program Redhare will use to copy your designs. Click on the cogs wheel. Click on copy settings. What this will do is it will make a copy of your template design. So now we could start typing something, we could change it however we want, but the basics will all be copied from our original design. So you won't have to enable these again, you won't have to select a color. Even your title and tags will be the same. As you see, this says copy of template design. So this is really what we need. Select the URL. Go to the program, paste it in clone template, and now we are ready to upload. The first thing we'll do is check all our data. Is this everything we need? Let's say we don't want that extra text. Maybe you want to add a tag. You want to choose another image. Whatever you want to do. Make sure this is not checked, uploaded. For us, everything seems all right for our first test. So let's click on next. So here you'll be greeted by the Redbubble login screen. Log in here. Once logged in, we are ready to start. So we don't have to do anything anymore. We just need to log in. Why is the login manual? The login is manual because the program will never save your data. It will never adjust it. It will never use it. So this is actually just a Chrome browser behind in this program, and the program is built on top so it can control everything. That way it can create automated designs. So we are ready now. We'll click on upload. As you'll see, it starts automatically creating your tags, your description, everything. So what is it doing now? Like I've said earlier, it takes your template design and everything there will be copied except for the data that you've provided in your Redhare data screen. So for example, you see it here, title test 1. So that is unique, the tags are unique, description is unique, and the image is unique. All the rest, the positioning is exactly the same as the template. So you just make sure that you have the same image proportions and the design will always come out nice. So as you see, it's going really fast. This is already our second design. Today we're only uploading 3 designs just to illustrate. But it can go, if you leave this running, you will hit your Redbubble maximum very fast, which is 60 by the way, if you didn't know that. There we go. They're all uploaded. How long did that take? Not even a minute. That easy. If you had to do this manually, it would have taken you so much longer. You see the new design is uploaded. We are ready for today. You can click back. You can load a new Excel, or you can even manually adjust this. Let's say I want to delete this. You select it, you press delete on your keyboard, and there it goes. Or you want to re-upload, you uncheck your uploaded. You can really do a lot with it. Okay, good luck.